Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is a whole house clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your to-do list and clean right along with me today. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end of myself.
So it's that time again, and it's laundry day for the bedding, so I'm just going to strip the bed off and get that put in the wash. I always make sure I do it first thing in the morning. That way the timing just works out really well, so by the time I've done the rest of the house, it's time to make the bed again. So I always make sure I strip it first thing in the morning, and then we can carry on doing the rest of the house and making everything nice and cozy.
Being true, but they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppressed.
So once I had all the washing sorted, I just wanted to carry on in the kitchen, because the kitchen is actually my favourite room to do. I really enjoy cleaning the kitchen, so I just wanted to whiz round, get rid of any rubbish, put the washing up away that I did the night before, and also crack on with any washing up that's left, just so I can get the kitchen nice and decluttered, and I can then go in and give it a good clean.
Finally respect myself. I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turn on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am, this is who I am now. No matter what they say.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no.
So after I've done the washing up, I always like to go in with my Flash kitchen spray and just give the sides a good wipe over, just getting rid of any crumbs or anything that's been spilt on there, because there's always something, isn't there? So I'm just going to go in and give it a good wipe over, making sure it's nice and clean, ready for the day, and then I can go back in and put all the washing up away and just get everything nicely decluttered.
I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's fire.
I'm now going to go in and clean the sink. You guys know the drill, you know that it's my favourite thing to do, so I'm just going to go in and give it a good scrub over, make sure it's nice and clean, getting rid of any stuck on food and everything else that just gets stuck to the sink, so I can make it nice and clean. I then also go over with the white vinegar spray and a dry microfiber cloth just to buff it all up and make it really shiny and just to make it look finished. But I always like to go in and fill the sink with hot water and Flora, so I do make sure the sink is nice and clean and disinfected before I do that, because then I can go in and use that diluted water to go over all of the cupboards and drawers and just make everything nice and clean.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 and the way you go.
I definitely need to go out and pick up some more Zaflora because I am going through this one so quickly, and during the winter I swapped to using the warm cinnamon scents and just the more festive cozy scents, and I actually kind of forgot how much I loved this mandarin and lime one. I think I used it all throughout spring and summer, and then once I changed I just kind of forgot about it, but now I've got it again. I am completely in love with it all over again, and I'm just using it every single day, wiping down everything with it, so I definitely need to get my hands on some more. Do let me know down in the comments what your favourite fragrance is for the kitchen.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love?
So once the kitchen's all done, I just make my way through into the living room just to make sure that's nice and tidy. As you can see, it's just looking very disheveled. Everything is all over the place, and it's like this every single morning. So I'm just going to go in and put everything back where it belongs, sort out all the cushions and blankets, get rid of any rubbish, and just make it nice and tidy.
You're burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah, yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah.
So who else is looking forward to decorating for spring this year? Let me know down in the comments if you do anything different for springtime. I never used to decorate for spring, but I have started to do subtle touches, and I think that's just because I now do YouTube and I see so many people decorating for spring. I really just wanted to jump on that bandwagon and join in, and it's so much fun. I don't go all out, I do just do touches, but I'm looking forward to getting rid of the pink cushions, adding in some yellow throws, and just the pop of more vibrant colours throughout spring and summer. I really enjoy doing that, so do let me know down in the comments if you do. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and dust everything off, giving everything a nice wipe over, making sure it's nice and fresh, and then I can go in and give everything a good hoover.
I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, 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 maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me.
So it's now that time to clean out Cinnabon's litter tray, and I make sure I do this on the kitchen floor now just because it's so much easier to clean it up if I spill anything. I used to always do it on the carpet, but doing it on the kitchen floor I can just steam mop it afterwards, and I also add some of my favourite scented Zaflora into my steam mop just to make sure that it is disinfecting and also it makes it smell beautiful. So I don't know why I was doing it on the carpet before, because it just made everything that's so much harder. So once I've done this, I'm then going to go in and steam mop everything and make sure everything is nicely disinfected and clean before I then move back upstairs to the bedroom so I can give it a good dust and a hoover before making the bed.
Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you.
So now upstairs in the bedroom, and I'm just going to take out the fan to give myself a bit more room to work with, and I'm going in with the Fabulosa polish upstairs. It smells so perfumed, it's so pretty. I wanted to use it in the bedroom just to make it smell really fresh and fragrant upstairs, but I think my favourite is still the Pledge, just because I'm used to that one and you always have your go-to product, but I wanted to use this one upstairs just so it smells like I've sprayed loads of perfume even when I haven't. So I'm just going to go around and give everything a wipe over, doing the bedside tables and also the windowsill, and just make it nice and fresh.
Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me. Touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
So like I said before, the timing of this always works out really well. So now everything is nice and tidy and clean. It's time to make the bed, and this definitely isn't my favourite thing to do, but I do love having a freshly made bed. So swings and roundabouts is just something that you've got to do, and I just love getting into a freshly made bed at the end of the day. So I'm going to crack on, power through and just get this bed made.
Free pass, oh.
So when I let go of the quilt to change the camera angle, you might notice that the quilt is completely messed up. I think it's actually like folded in half inside of the quilt cover, but I thought, being me, I could just shake it out and it would be fine, but it would have actually been a lot quicker to take it out and start again. But that's what I get for trying to cut corners and be a bit lazy. I actually thought my way would be a lot quicker and easier, but it turns out that if you're going to be lazy, it's going to take you twice as long. So this is a lesson learned for me. I'm definitely not going to try and cut corners again, but it worked out and it ended up looking great at the end. But yeah, try not to cut corners and be lazy, because it'll just make even more work for you.
Holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.
But we get up and start from the ground.